Where's my fried chicken?
Oi,
Back here?
oh, guys, it's my chicken. Look this. Oh, chicken, chicken.
I told you to buy chicken from McDonald's.
I like the chicken.
Hey, stop. Wait. I told you to buy a chicken from Jollibee. Not a real chicken.
Not. It's a big.
This yours right now. Kaya, are you okay?
You okay? Okay, okay.
What did you do to that? Are you gonna kill that?
Yes.
What gun are you gonna use? Sniper? Yeah.
Hello, guys. Wala kaya manok. Ako yung manok.
Hey, stop. Don't be rude to the audience. Sorry, guys. She's still 4 years old.
Hello, guys. Ako ya, wala kang...
Hey, don't be mean to the audience, okay?
Okay.
Now, can you cook this chicken there?
No.
But Mama,